Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, the honorable judges and beloved audience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ayska Fachri, and I'm from Azhar 41 Islamic Junior High School, Summarecon, Serpong. Today, I will recite a poem with the theme of a love letter for nature. I'll pray for nature's peace, for the seas and the ocean breeze, waves that will let you feel at ease, with those dolphins that jump and swim across the seas. But did it feel the same as before? Now I see trash and cans across the river shore. The turtle swims with plastic and straws to the core, surviving in polluted waters, a challenge they abhor. I'll pray for nature's grace, for the forests with their maple tree, as they can move free, and the sense of wood, like my dad's perfume, lingers in a sacred space. But did it feel the same as before? The flames now devour the trees we adore, smoke rising up to the sky once more, and the cry of a fawn left alone to explore. I'll pray for nature's harmony, so the birds chirping up in the sunny summer until the kids play with snow in the winter, and how leaves fall gracefully in the autumn. But did it feel the same as before? Now I see people are dying, people are suffering, people are in pain because of their reckless living. Dear the Mother Earth, let me stay in this place forever with no sorrows and pain and just a safe feeling and happier than ever. Let these little poems of hope flies like the birds, like a girl dancing with the winds, like a star shines the brightest in the sky, like a sense of freedom and full of happiness. And I will always pray for nature, for my home, my journey, and my future. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.